It means so much to be awarded the Dean's List. It's really nice to celebrate it alongside graduation, makes the whole thing a bit more special. And yeah, be recognised for all the hard work you've put in over the years.
Being given the honour of being part of the Dean's List is the best way to culminate my degree. It feels like it's the cherry on top after 3 years of efforts. So I thoroughly have enjoyed my time in Sheffield, and I'm definitely planning on coming back in the future for sure.
I'd say in general the application was quite hard in that you had to really think back to everything you've been doing, but also in a way it was quite fun to think back to everything I've done, all back from first year to my year abroad, and how that's all contributed to me how I am now. So while it was tough, I do think it was actually quite an enjoyable process, and it's really helped me with applying for jobs now because everything's fresh off the top of my mind.
The Dean's List means a lot because I could tell all my hard work paid off.
It's very important for me to keep in touch with the management school. I really like the research that they do. For example, the Institute of Work Psychology, the Centre for Decent Work. I've really enjoyed my studies in those areas, and so I'd definitely be following their research and what they're up to.